You know how everyone got to cutting their own hair and coloring and doing all sorts of stuff to their hair in quarantine? Yeah, well.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more but tells a lot of stories about youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view.
I want to cut bangs. Okay. So I very randomly got the idea to give myself bangs yesterday, and I guess I'm gonna do it. As you can see, I just showered and my hair is all wet, and I wanna do bangs that, like, you can barely even call them bangs. It's like just like a mini pew pew, not like a bang. My hair is very precious to me. I don't like cutting it. I barely like cut off the dead ends. I actually had bangs. So I actually did once have bangs, but it's high maintenance with hair like mine because my hair is naturally very curly, or at least with the way I've been taking care of it now. It has its own ways and it's not willing to go out of its comfort zone, basically. So I had to force them to stay on my forehead instead of like doing this middle part thing. Wow, that looks amazing. But now I'm thinking I'd like some curly bangs. I think that would be cute. Procrastination. I'm just gonna do it, okay? So let's separate a section. This is what I'm talking about, just like very, very small. I know I'm just gonna have to do it or else I won't at all. Just do it. I'm gonna leave it very long too because I know how my baby hairs can be. They like curl up like crazy. So it's gonna look a lot shorter once it is curled. We're in no shape or form in quarantine like right now, but I like being late. Whatever I do, just cut it already. I'm thinking about to my nose at first. Oh, we need to do a thumbnail.
Yeah, about that, I just now realized that you can't see what I'm doing at all, so guess we don't have a thumbnail.
I think that's kind of cute. I need to wet them again because I was straightening them with my fingers. I can also like, ew. I can also now do like a side bang. I think I'm gonna do a little trim. I don't know why, but I'm just like, I'm in a very aesthetic mood, you know? I was watching some YouTube videos yesterday. I was like, yeah, I wanna get all dolled up and do some aesthetic things for no reason. Apparently it's a good thing to also film that, right? Ooh, that's a lot of hair. I know I shouldn't be using like this comb on wet hair, but I need it kind of straight. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter because my hair is curly majority of the time, but I still like to cut it so that it's even. You kind of can't tell if it's curly. Perfection is high now. I feel like I cut my hair differently every time, but for now I'm gonna separate it in 4 different sections and just like try and cut out about the same amount of the ends of each section. That's literally all. I'm gonna cut here. I mean, literally cut. And I'm probably gonna do something to make it more curly. Then I'm gonna let it dry and do my makeup, and I'm gonna get back to you. I might regret this later. Is it bad? Yeah, this might have been a mistake. Well, I have them now.